What does empathy serve you to do or to be?
I think, Catherine, you said something great yesterday. We had a conversation. It's not the first time I said that. You talked about the heart.
Yes.
The heart.
Oh, I'm glad we're going there. Good.
The heart as a tool of discernment.
Nice.
Yeah. And we talked about filtering.
Yes.
The heart is not just a vital filter, but maybe the ultimate filter, the ultimate arbiter of what is right and wrong, and something which allows us to take decisions, but also ultimately take action, to do something, respond. When we don't have all the information, when we're not there on the other side of the world, when we're not with our neighbour, it's maybe the heart that leads us and gives us the energy, the sense of purpose. Perhaps ultimately, and I'm trying to find your words here, it's maybe through the heart that we begin to unify around action. Even if we are still full of doubt and questions in our own mind. So at some point, maybe the heart has to take charge and push you forward.